Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for my February Boxycharm. So here it is. So I've been doing Boxycharm unboxings for, I can't even remember how long, maybe like 6 months now, and it's just been like a really fun addition to my channel, and I think you guys also seem to really enjoy them, and it's fun for me because it really is a surprise. I try not to look at any spoilers, and it's just fun. It's kind of like opening up a little mystery box of makeup goodies. I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. I always put it down below in the description box. If you guys have signed up with my link, thank you so much. It's so nice, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Boxycharm if you have signed up for it. Last month was kind of like meh, so I'm hoping that this month is going to be a good box to kind of make up for last month's. We did have the Too Faced Diamond Highlighter, but I didn't end up loving that highlighter. Like, it was exciting to get, but when I actually used it, it was just kind of like fell flat for me and wasn't as good as I was hoping for. February is like my least favorite month out of the whole calendar, so I am so excited for it to go fast and just kind of go away and then go into March, because then spring's almost here. So let's get on into this video. If you guys have not subscribed, I hope you will. It's the first link down below in my description box. Make sure you tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's get on into my Boxycharm February unboxing. Also, let me know if you guys have the bigger Boxycharm, the Boxy Luxe. I have not tried that one yet, but I've seen some people getting that one, and it has really good products in it, or so it seems. So if you have any experience with Boxy Luxe, let us know down in the comments. This is just the regular size. So if you guys are like, what the heck is Boxycharm? Although I'm sure most of you know what it is. You get 5 items and it is $25 a month, and usually the total retail value could be like anywhere from $200, sometimes it's kind of like about $200 retail value. So I'm just gonna do what I always do. I'm going to open up the box, not gonna read the pamphlet or anything. I'm just gonna reach inside and see what I come out with first. Oh, that's not anything. Okay, let's see. Product number 1. This is a skincare product. This is First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, and they are alcohol-free. Always looking for skincare products that do not have alcohol, or even makeup products that don't have alcohol or denatured alcohol, because it's just very drying for your skin. It says they help to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So definitely will give these a try. I think I might also pop these into my skincare fridge, which I have been loving recently, and it'll probably feel so nice and refreshing on the skin. So First Aid Beauty is a really great skincare brand. I feel like I've become more familiar with their products because I always find them when I do budget beauty buys at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So good first product. Let's go into the next one. Feels like wipes. Evio Skin and Aurora, I don't know those brands, refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. Has cannabis sativa seed oil. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like I have gotten so many products. Gizzy's gonna come over here. I've gotten so many products recently in like gift bags and stuff that are cannabis CBD products, especially like towards the end of last year into this year. Like, I feel like there's just CBD stuff everywhere, and I've tried a couple things. I'm really interested in, there's a brand called, it's like Sugar and Kush or something. They have CBD drops that you can actually ingest and help with anxiety, but they're like cotton candy and sugar and strawberry. I will link it down below. Hopefully I remember to do that. But I saw it on like an Instagram ad or something, and I thought it was so interesting. So I'm kind of interested in that. It says hemp seed oil, so it doesn't have the THC, which is like that active ingredient. I am not like interested in that. I did a whole video on products that I'm not really using too much anymore, and makeup wipes were on the list. I've been using a couple here and there, especially because I had gotten some from Alma in the mail that were compostable. Did I say that word right? Compostable. Cannabis sativa oil used in, it's grown in Canada. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and toxic-free. There is alcohol in here, which is annoying because we were literally just talking about alcohol-free products. And then cannabis sativa seed oil is at the kind of the top of the ingredients list, so I guess it is pretty pretty heavily concentrated in here. So for me, I probably would use this more so for like wiping off swatches and stuff. I guess it has like calming benefits to the skin. So yeah, this is okay. 2 skincare products so far. Okay, next one. What is this? Ooh, Kate Somerville. This is the Biomimicking Peptides Smooth and Firm, and that's all it's called. Smooth and Firm. High Performance Reshaping Serum. It says use AM and PM, apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin. It says very important peptides that work together to visibly refresh and renew skin as it firms and hydrates. I've been hearing that peptides are really good for wrinkles, and it does say that here targets loss of elasticity and firmness. And let me just look quick at the ingredient list. Banana pulp extract, that's interesting. Chicory leaf extract, soybean seed extract. There's no alcohol in here. It looks pretty decent. Mango pulp extract. All right, so I'm definitely interested in this. I'm always looking for something for anti-aging, especially for my forehead, where I do have some of those like lines going on, which I do not like at all. So I have never incorporated a peptide into my skincare routine, so I do think this looks pretty interesting, and there's also no fragrance in here that I can see, so that's always a plus. Third skincare product. Oh my gosh, is there any makeup in here? I'm feeling like there might not be. Okay, next product. Brushes. Okay, these are, I think this is, what's the brand? Alamar Cosmetics. I feel like they're a big staple in Boxycharm. So we have 3 brushes here. I always love getting makeup brushes and adding them to my collection. Like, it feels like you never need to buy makeup brushes because I always feel like I have more coming somehow in boxes and things like that and gift bags. So, oh, this one's pretty interesting. There are some hairs like kind of coming out. Like, there's one poking up here that's not even with the rest of the bristles. So this is a bronzer brush, which is cool because I've been looking for a really good bronzer brush, and this one's kind of funky because it has these little, I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera, but these little like raised bumps on top. But to me, I don't know, is this something that would be good for bronzer, because it's almost like a flat head brush where it's very concentrated, and to me I kind of like to diffuse my bronzer, so not sure about that, but I can always, I guess, find a purpose for it. And I like the handles, they're cute. They're like this kind of orangey rose gold color. Then we have this brush right here. This is the complexion brush. I feel like would be nice for applying like contour because it has a little angle to it. And we have, oh, it's a blush brush. Brightening brush. Okay, so this I feel like would be good for, it's kind of like a flat but not really flat domed brush. You can kind of see it there. This you could use for a highlight. I feel like this is something also I would use for brushing away my baking powder, just kind of going like that. And I guess those would be the 2 main purposes, highlight and brushing away bake. This is the last product in here. What are you? Ciate. Oh my gosh, I feel like I always get Ciate products. This is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. That sounds so nice. It says lock in makeup for long-lasting wear, Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to the beach. Finely milled, crease-free, soft focus finish with no flashback. Okay. This does have talc in it, so it is not talc-free. Of coconut products, they always have like really cute packaging. I just wish it was talc-free, especially for a brand that is sold at Sephora. It's a little bit higher end. Like, I feel like there could be, you know, another ingredient that they could use besides talc. I literally just like dumped some on my wrist because I wanted to see if it really smells like coconut. Okay, it does a little bit. It's very, very light though. Like, it's not like a in your face like the butter bronzer where that's much more coconut scented. It's just very light. I'd be curious if this doesn't leave a white cast like it says, because it does kind of have that more like white finish to it rather than like a beigey kind of finish. I'll have to try this out and let you guys know my thoughts on it. I like the idea of the coconut. I think that's pretty cool. But again, just wish there wasn't talc in it. So this is the only makeup item that I got, because I guess I'm not going to really count the brushes. So definitely a skincare heavy focused box. What are my thoughts on this? It's not my favorite, but I mean, some pretty decent items. Let's see the pamphlet. It says Boxycharm Adore. It says Kate Somerville Active Concentrate Serum is $98. Holy cow. The Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio is for brush, bronzer, and the brightening brush, which I guess is the highlighter. Those are $36. Then we have the Ciate Everyday Vacay Powder. That is $22. Then the First Aid Beauty Pads are $16. And the hemp wipes from Evio are $10. So I just added up the total retail value of all the items in the box, and it came out to $182. So a pretty decent value that you're getting. And I mean, is it my favorite box? No, definitely not my favorite box. It was more of a skincare kind of focus, which is fine. Like, I'm excited to try the skincare products. Minus the wipes, I'm not really sure about those. Oh, let me tell you guys the number. So my box is number 45. So if you guys got the same one as me, let me know. Are you excited about your box this month? Were you disappointed in your box? I know last month a bunch of you guys were saying that you were disappointed in your box, and I think we've definitely gotten some better ones. But I mean, I guess it all depends on what you think is worth it to you. Like, if you value skincare, then that's probably going to be a box that you really like. A box that has an eyeshadow palette and you love eyeshadow palettes might be something that would be your favorite box. For me, I think I definitely like getting the makeup items more, but I think there are a lot of good skincare products in here. I think I'm really excited about that Kate Somerville serum, because that one is like, that's almost $100, so definitely going to be trying that out. I'm always a little hesitant to incorporate some new stuff into my skincare routine because my skin is just very like sensitive and breakout prone, so I try and stick to like what I know. But we'll see how that goes. I like to kind of start things on a smaller scale. Like, maybe I'll just use it on my forehead to start out and see how my skin reacts. The brushes are also really nice from Alamar. I'm excited to use those. And the Ciate powder, I think, is going to be pretty interesting to use too for baking. So let me know your thoughts on the February 2020 Boxycharm. Comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will keep doing these unboxing. And love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!